The wedding ring quilt pattern, also known as the crown of thorns, is a timeless symbol of love and unity. Its interlocking arcs create a stunning design that has captivated quilters for generations. Today, we're exploring the free wedding ring quilt patterns, perfect for both beginners and experienced quilters. Our first pattern comes from Elaine Huff of Fabric 406. This modern take on the classic design ditches curves and templates in favor of simple half-square triangles and squares. The result is a 10-inch finished block that's easy to piece and offers multiple layout options. It's an ideal choice for quilters looking to create a beautiful wedding gift or personal keepsake. Next up is the single wedding ring block from Fat Quarter Shop. Part of their Classic and Vintage series, this 13-inch unfinished block simplifies the traditional double wedding ring design. Using half-square triangles and squares, it's accessible to quilters of all levels and perfect for showcasing your favorite fabrics. For those seeking a more unconventional approach, Corey Yoder's Liberated Wedding Ring block offers a fresh perspective. This pattern uses strip piecing with various widths, eliminating the need for templates and allowing for endless creativity. Step-by-step instructions with helpful photos make it easy to follow, whether you're using a curated palette or a vibrant mix of scraps. Our fourth pattern is the 5-patch wedding ring quilt block by Maria of Scissortail Quilting. This clever design uses a 5x5 grid layout with half-square triangles and squares to create the illusion of interlocking rings. It's an excellent option for confident beginners and experienced quilters alike, offering versatility in color and fabric combinations. Last but not least, we have Beverly of Flamingo Toes updated wedding ring block. This fat quarter-friendly block measures a generous 12 inches and is designed for speed and ease. With clear instructions and helpful photos, you'll be creating beautiful blocks in no time, perfect for any special occasion. Whether you choose a traditional approach or a modern twist, wedding ring quilt patterns offer endless opportunities for creativity and self-expression. From celebrating a special occasion to adding a touch of timeless romance to your home, these patterns allow you to create beautiful heirlooms that will be cherished for generations. Looking for more wedding ring quilt patterns to inspire your next project? Say I do to the collection of romantic designs at ilovequiltingforever.com. So gather your fabrics, embrace the curves, and start stitching your own unique wedding ring quilt today.